Amen.
He's not coming back to Rome. He's not coming back to New York. He's coming back to Jerusalem.
That's right.
To establish his millennial kingdom.
Amen.
From Jerusalem. The word of the Lord
Go
is going
forth.
forth from Jerusalem,
That's
from
right.
Jerusalem.
That's right.
It's exciting.
It's just an amazing revelation, and it is exciting, Jonathan. So the question on everybody's mind, though, is restoring Jerusalem as the capital of Israel prophetic?
Well, absolutely. It's prophetic. That started in 1967. Jerusalem was a divided city, but the old city, the historic city, was under the control not of the Palestinians, but under the control of Jordan. You know, a lot of people don't know this. This was not the Palestinian capital. And by the way, I want to just deal with another historical inaccuracy. Jerusalem was never part of Islam in the beginning. It was a later addition, and you won't find it in the Quran. It's not in the Quran.